empanada. Diyos ko, agahan pa lang. So, make suka. Top with the empanada. Empanada! Surprisingly, masarap! Oh my God! First to try to make empanada here. I think ito na yung aking ano. Hello Camille, let's eat empanada. The viral empanada, Ilocos empanada. And it's giving orange. Yeah? It's empanada day. Try ko muna yung ano, lasa kung okay yung ating lasa ng ang sarap. Oh my God. Ang sarap. Shit. I love the dough. Masarap siya. Hindi siya Hello, Ate Melo. This is empanada I make here in Singapore. I'm making empanada actually. Pero eto, tingnan ko lang kung may lasa yung ating palaman. Yummers! Kain! The munggo. The, ano yun? Papaya is giving. It's perfection! Nagawa ko! Unang try. So I will make more. Diba? Crunchy yung balat. Sarap. May lasa. In fairness. Ang sarap. Isa lang to kasi ano, it's a try. Kung maganda yung dough or hindi. And surprisingly, the dough is it's giving makrunchy. Actually, the dough I made yesterday. May kurang sarap. Sarap. Empanada. It's giving empanada vibes. Come on, let's eat. Nice. Malasa. There is a lasa. Ano ka charot? Ang sarap! Oh my God! No. Yum tidam! Let's eat! That's the first try, and I can say it's really good. Sarap. I will make more. Ida, see you tomorrow. I will make one for you. And guys, ano ito? Diba? Ay. This is the dough. This is the longanisa, fresh from Ilocos. This is the fillings and the egg. That's it. Divine. Wait, guys. So I don't have a rolling pin. Oh my god. This is the one I done before. I don't have rolling pin, guys, so I use this one. And this is my workstation. Ayan natin. Oh my god, ang hirap isa pa lang yun. How much more, Diyos ko po. So, I don't know. It's painit na to. The ano. Oh my god. Hello! Let's make empanada with my... Ay, wait lang. Taas ko kayo. Ay, nabubunglan ko, te. Ay, yan. Let's make empanada with this dough. This is the dough. So, I do have to put the oil in my hands. Oil in my hands. And then get the dough. Ito po, nagawa ko na yung dough. Kahapon. So, let's put oil and then press in here. Parang kulang. Or malaki lang talaga yung ginawa ko. Wait lang. I think I have to improve more. Para pwede naman siyang ibalik. Here's the dough. Tida tomorrow. Oh my God. I'm so natatakot ako. And then like that, you press. Press, press, press. Press, press, press. Oh my, and then you have to use this one. Wala tayong rolling pin. And then like that. Oh my God, makapal pa. I don't know like this. Gano'n na lang natin. Pero, the dough that I made yesterday actually is just like, mo. Oh, I don't know how you make that. But it's okay, it's fine. I think the first try is okay. And makapal pa. So, I will need to make more manipis. Para hindi siya masuya kainin. Oh my God. I think this is my, pag umuwi ako ng Pilipinas, ito na yung aking gagawin. Empanada. Wait lang, let's see. Parang makapal pa. Oh my God, ang hirap ano? Diyos ko! Ang hirap! And then, this is our dough. I think, manipis na siya. But it's okay. So, kuha tayo ng ano. Ito. This is munggo and papaya. So, sana. Diyos ko, the first one, okay. Hindi ko alam itong pangalawa pa, pero... And the technique of this one, guys, is dapat yung egg nyo is hindi siya room temperature. Para hindi mamasa yung yung dough. Dapat it should be from fridge. And this is longaniza. You put longaniza in here. Parang half lang okay na siya. Para hindi siya umay kainin. Just a taste of longaniza, garlic longaniza. As per the video of Juday, hindi niya na yung kanyang ito. So, this is the egg roll. Ay! Oh my God. And then, we put some salt sa egg balls. And then, oh my God. Spare me, oh God. Taklop. And then, ay, shucks. Lumabas yung egg balls. So, I think this is failed. Pero, let's try. And then, put here. This is the empanada itself. Ay! So, ito na yung empanada natin. Let's put in our cooking shows. Okay naman siya. Perfect. See. Oh. Charanch! That's our empanada! Oh my God! Nagawa na natin yung empanada! So I think we cannot use the one with the egg na. Kasi super mamas-masa to. So, I think I have to put this back. So, yan lang. Alis lang tado, lala. Agpapulot kat ganun, di ba? 3 cups of water. And then, you put some salt and yung ang tawag nito? This one. Ground black pepper. And then, and then you put the atsuete. And then, kapag kumukulo na, patayin mo and then you put the rice flour. You have to use the rice flour, mare. True! Empanada! Diba? I need to make more. Oh my God. I think super nipis yung nagawa nating dough. So, we have to make more mataba. We don't have rolling pin, ha? That's why I'm using this tumbler. But this one is new. That's why it's still... Ay! Yung ginawa kasi ni Judy and girls, hindi siya hindi siya maganda. Yun mo yung adobo, para siyang bola, pero nagbabind siya if you are going to mamasa-masa. Dating magandang dough. And then you put in here. Ay, ganyan. then, you make roll, roll, roll. Hindi yung pangalawa. Diyos ko. Paging Jackson P. Haba, paraan. Sorry guys, it's my first time to make empanada from scratch. Ano from scratch? Kasi yung longganisa is from Locos. Inuwi ko siya. So, hindi siya, I don't know, ganun. Diba? Or, yung nakikita ko sa bata. Inalang ganun lang. Dapat Gudwain tapag yanam. Paglay. Oh, yes. Yes, ma. Sorry. Ay, oo nga. I need to make... Dapat gudwa dito. Plastic. Para hindi siya... Yan. I think that's okay. And that's enough. Wait lang. Oh my God. The second empanada is okay. So, buo pa rin siya. And then, oh my God, parang ang liit nito. I cannot. Hayaan mo na. So, iba-ibang size. Oh my God, ang init. And then, half of longganisa. Kasi konti na lang yung longganisa natin. Hello! Ay! Yes, bes! Diyos ko, nagagayang tagalan empanada si ka. Sa mo tawar-tawaran. The empanada itself, Diyos ko, dalang mang-form ki anan ko't narigat. Dapat you have to make it sealed para hindi lumabas ang chiwa. And then ega balls. Ay, perfect. And then dapat mabilis lang. Oh, shucks. I think the third one is failed. Pero, ilalaban natin for today's video. Hindi siya failed. Marami nang nilagay na unfailings. So, like that. This is the third empanada. You see? Third empanada. OMG. Diyos ko po. And I will give you an update regarding the second and third empanadas. See? Wait, ah. Charanch! My empanada is given. You see? Empanada! Ay! Perfect! Empanada! Diba? They are doing like this para tumigas. And it's giving matigas. It's giving crunchiness. Oh my God! Empanada! empanada. You see, empanada is real. Here in Singapore, empanada is real. Empanada. So I think I know how to make empanada already. The only thing is you have to be careful with the egg. Kasi it's very ano siya, kapag nilagay mo yung empanada yung egg sa dough, dapat mabilis kasi mag-aano siya. Oh my God. This is my second and third empanadas and it's giving. Ay, shucks. It's giving feel na ata yung third natin. Empanada. Ang nagling talaga ni JR, Tolentino. Yes, ma. Lagyan pa natin ng rice flour daw yung ano dough. Tapos imasa natin. Kasi it's so... Oh my God. I think feel tong number 3 natin. Sana hindi. Babaliktad ko na. Empanada. Shucks, no. Gorderak man best. Yes, a besi. Wow, sarap niyan. Tapos may itlog sa loob. Yes! Harold. Itlog sa gitna, idol. Ay! Si Harold. Lali-lali pa mo. Bongga. Daling kamot ganyan agra-round empanada. Yes! It's my first time but, you know, napag-aaralan. It's giving. Empanada. Hello, Maring. Miss you. Gamit yung empanada. The viral Ilocos empanada. Oh. Perfect. Aketyo. Oh my God. I think the third one is failed. Agabot-bot nanti. Pero, hindi siya lumabas. So, it's giving pa din. Hello, Maring. Diyos ko, naligat din. Tigaranti empanada, Maring. Sa empanada. Empanada. Tap-taplak aming nga di mga nano. Diyos ko, super oily floor. But the empanada is real. So, make your own empanada. Name imas kumatay moments tayo mag... Ay, true! Mamis kumat ka di Apo. Dito yun. Ano tinatagraran na agad? Anya? Oh, pa. That's the sound. You see, my second one, the sound is giving. That should be. That it should be. Diba? So it's empanada day. Okay, guys. Babuch. And na. Finishing.